Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I would like to present my community service activities. This community service program, I will provide the financial information system in chicken farming business in Jatam Difabel Bejen Sleman. This program conducted by me, Dr. Arni Surwanti, and my colleague, Dr. Ahim Abdurrahim, and collaboration with Majelis Pemberdayaan Masyarakat Pimpinan Pusat Muhammadiyah. The community service partner Majelis Pemberdayaan Masyarakat Pimpinan Pusat Muhammadiyah have role, they have give training to do happy chicken farming business, and also beside the training, they also give opportunity for the disabled to internship in the farming business. As we know, based on the law number 8, 2016, the implementation of protection and fulfillment right of person with disability, every person with disability has same right to opportunity to get job. The business group for the people with disability in Bejen, Caturharjo Sleman district in Yogyakarta has established in 2019. The village government have provided a land loan to about 2,000 meters that can be used to livestock business. This cooperation are still running, but they have some problem. The first one, the group haven't knowledge about financial management, and they still do not have knowledge about investment, how to obtain the fund, how to do profit sharing, and the management also haven't good knowledge about livestock cultivation capacity, and human resource management in this business haven't run well. So these community services, there are several activities that we will done. The first one is focus group discussion related business project in chicken farming, and the second one provide training in accounting, and the third one provide training in financial management, and also provide training in youth information system. The result, there are activities that we have done. The first one is program socialization, and then the second one is organization structuring. So in this unit business, they have to prepare the organization structure and also how job description for its job. And then drafting financial information system, and then the fourth is training of accounting, financial management, and also how to use this financial information system. This is the system, financial information system that we have provide. Based on this system, we can record the transaction, and we can also prepare all the financial report. Thank you for watching this video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.